Today we're going to check out this boys bike from Huffy. Nathan Cox here, thanks for joining us on Around the Home. If you wouldn't mind, take a moment and click on that little ninja on the bottom right of your screen, subscribe to the channel, or just hit the subscribe button. Top right of your screen will be a link to our website. It has hundreds of more videos organized really well for you guys to check out. Plus, there's additional ways there to help support us, so you guys can help us keep creating all this great content. Anyways, okay, so it's Christmas time, 2019. And I got my grandson a little 16-inch, sorry, I started off as 12-inch, but realized he needed the 16-inch Huffy boys bike, okay? So we're gonna unbox it and assemble it. This one here is called the EZ Build, no tools required. So we're gonna check out to see how accurate that really is. And some of y'all are like, why don't you just take the one that's already built that's on their shelf at Walmart? And I'm like, well, last time I got a bike assembled at Walmart, I took it out down the street, hit a little bump, and the handlebars fell off. I was like, oh crap, you know. So honestly, I don't totally trust their assemblers, okay? So I just asked for one in a box. So let's come on down here and let's give this thing a try. All right, now this happens to be the Spiderman model of the Huffy 16-inch bike, but I think that they are all basically the same, these little EZ Build ones, all right? And right here on the box, you know, it says insert training wheel number 1, number 2, insert handlebars and fork and then hand tighten. Number 3, fold down pedals. That part almost scares me. Number 4, insert seat. Fold down pedals. I mean, just thinking about it, it makes it sound like the pedal is going to be weak or something. You know, I'm probably wrong. Oh, that staple is really holding me. Hey, Benny. Benny has to come by and say hi. Hey, buddy. Oh. Okay, it was glued too, so I don't feel so bad. Okay. All right, well, it's packed pretty tight in this little box. Trying to see what's going to come out. All right, guys, I prefer to take this out one piece at a time, but I don't think it's going to go like that. I think this thing was put in here in a way that you basically just got to do this. And I think I was right. Okay, so there's our handlebars. And this is supposed to make some web slinger noise, so that'd be pretty cool. Okay, there's our front wheel. And here's the main part of the bike. Okay, so I guess we'll start with the main body of the bicycle. Because according to the box, step 1 is to snap in the training wheels. So let's go ahead and take that off. And then these little guys right here, these are like little shipping protectors. Keep the bolts from poking through the box. Okay. So it looks like there's just a quick snap there. I think I got a Molly behind me. Molly. Okay. And 2 little pins there. All right. So, trying to make it so you guys can see it. There's 2 little, clips there. So just kind of push them in and snaps in place. And then taking it off, you should be able just to pinch that together. Okay, so nice. So when you're ready to get rid of them, they'll come off real easy. So that's actually really nice. You don't have to unbolt stuff to take them off. So we'll do the same on this side. Slide it in place. Push the little pins in. Oops, it's a little bit harder with this plastic gear guard, chain guard. Okay, that's in. Okay, so step 2 is going to be putting the main wheel together with the handlebars and stuff. So let's take the little protective wraps off of this. Okay, a little cap right here. Okay, that's keeping the bearing clean. And the bearing's in place there. So you definitely want to make sure the bearings don't pop out when you take those caps off. Okay. So there's a... Okay, there you can see it. Make sure those bearings stay in place when those caps come off. Okay. We got our front wheel. Let's take that little plug off of there. The little reflector goes in front, so that's easy enough. We're just going to carefully slide it in. Careful not to jack the bearings up. There we go. Okay, excellent. Now we need to unwrap the handlebars. Okay, here's a little tag right here on the handlebars. It says tighten after assembly. Tighten knob. Okay, so obviously that's going to the front. Okay, and this isn't round. Well, it's partially round and partially dimpled in on one side, so it's only going to go one way, so that's nice. So you're not going to accidentally mess that up. And there's another little pin to push in right here. So you're going to push that in and let it drop. Okay, and you heard it click. All right, I'm going to rip off this little tag right here. Okay, and it says tighten after assembly, so we're going to just screw that righty-tighty. Okay, that's nice and snug. Wow, okay guys, so far I'm feeling pretty impressed here. No tools. I don't even have to get a screwdriver or anything. Okay, so now we're going to fold the pedals down. Okay, so we got the pedal. Yeah, because the pedal's a little jacked up. It's all sideways, so we need to... Okay, so when it came out, it actually popped up a little bit. So there's going to be like another little pin in there, but it's covered in this, there's a plastic type cover right here. So you're going to pull it out and it pops down a little bit. And it feels like it locks in pretty solid. So that's good. Okay, now we've got the seat. So we just have this clamp right there, quick release clamp, which is nice. Drop the seat down in there. Okay, now that clamp's obviously too loose. So there's a screw on the back side here, which we can tighten up. Maybe we should kind of snug that up. So it's kind of snug while it's open. That's probably going to put it pretty close. And there we go. And actually, we're complete. That's it. But since we are... Oh, that's what it does. I thought it made a noise. Let's cut off all these crazy tags. This is redonkulous. I know it's for the store display, but let's get rid of them. Okay, so I thought it made noise. I was wrong. It does this. The little guy's gonna have a lot of fun with that. There we go. The 16-inch boys bike from Huffy with the EZ Build system. This is the Spiderman edition. It really was easy to build, and I really didn't need any tools, not a single thing to go with it. And it really should be easy for just about anyone to do it yourself. And then even the training wheels pop back off really easily when you're done with them, when you don't need them anymore, because he's, you know, learn how to ride it right. Whether it's a boy or a girl, you know, they're going to be like really enjoying this bike right here. So kind of actually impressed. I wasn't sure what I thought about this whole EZ Build system, but right now it's looking pretty solid. So if you didn't before, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. Take a look at my website. Tons more videos there. So many things to check out. And some additional videos right here on the other side for you guys to check before you leave. You guys have a great day.